Alright, I'm getting ready to do drywall. So we wanted the switch, and originally I had the switch underneath the bar, but this will probably be more convenient to have the switch on the exterior of the bar. And I went with a rocker switch. Anyway, it's not sticking out, getting hit with your hip or something. And then we got we installed a plug that'll charge your phones. There's the USB outlets on it. So, works good. We tried it. So that's where I'm at. Works great. From the neighbor. Thank you, Don Johnson. And I'm working on the outlet. Working on the outlet. Outlet, yeah. Let the drywalling begin. So I get the first sheet up. And I go up on the end here and around on the inside. I'm going to put a piece of drywall across that too. That'll be the easiest way. I got plenty of drywall. It's coming together.